If evaporator coil access is limited, start by stabilizing airflow and reducing contamination risk immediately. Focus on keeping system filters pristine by checking them every month and replacing or cleaning them according to the manufacturer specifications. Use higher efficiency pleated filters rated for your system to capture more particulate before it reaches the coil. Maintain a tight seal around doors and access panels so air follows designed pathways and not leaks that deposit dust on the coil. Use foam tape or weather stripping where gaps appear. Use the return grill and accessible cabinet areas for preventive vacuuming with a brush attachment and a shop vacuum set to low suction so you do not disturb wiring or components. Inspect and straighten any bent fins you can reach with a fin comb to preserve coil heat transfer without removing panels. Monitor condensate pan and drain lines for signs of clogging that indicate reduced coil performance, and clear lines with a stiff wire or biological drain treatment as appropriate. If you detect excessive buildup, odors, reduced cooling, or icing, schedule a professional deep clean because technicians can remove panels, use coil-safe foaming cleaners, and perform mechanical cleaning while protecting electrical and refrigerant components. Common mistakes include assuming a clean-looking filter is sufficient when it is not. Filters can appear clean on the surface but be loaded internally, so change or clean them on a strict schedule. Another mistake is using water or harsh cleaners on the coil without power isolation and proper runoff control. Always power down and block runoff from entering electrical areas or ductwork. A third issue is neglecting air leakage and cabinet gaps, which reroute dirty air toward the coil. Seal access seams and confirm ducts are connected properly to prevent recurring buildup. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and post-project needs to attract bids from professionals experienced with limited coil access. We also host a discussion community where our members share first-hand tips, troubleshooting steps, and contractor experiences so both homeowners and contractors can connect and learn from one another.